He's not going to be there, so I don't know what your problem is. What? No, he is not. No.
Look under the Christmas tree.
That's Truck?
Yeah, he sure is.
No way. Y'all better go look and see.
It's him.
You better go over there and look and see.
It is. Let me go put my stuff up here. Hi, Chuck.
No way.
Hi, Chuck.
He wasn't going to come till tonight.
Yes.
Huh?
How do you get stuck in that ball?
Don't touch it.
How do you get stuck in
I don't know. Is that Truck?
This is the story of him.
Well, yeah. Don't touch. Kason, you okay? Huh? Is Truck here? He is? No way.
I thought he was coming tonight.
I bet you. I thought he was going to come tonight.
But he's here.
Are y'all sure that's the right elf? Is that the right elf?
There's an ornament.
Hey, is he the right elf? Is he y'all's elf? How do you know?
Because his eyes are always facing that way. And eyes the same color. No, he's
What color's his eyes?
orange.
Orange? Okay. And he's supposed to have orange eyes? Huh?